It's not through chemotherapy, hindi rin sa pamamagitan ng radiation, at mas lalong hindi dahil sa operasyon. It's healing by touch and by the power within you.
Kakaiba ang gamutang ito. Nilalapatan ng kamay ang iba't ibang bahagi ng katawan. At pagkatapos lamang ng ilang minuto, ay may gumagaling.
Yung ankle niya got swollen because of sprain. We are doing sequence number 15. Kasi ito yung correct. The swelling got smaller.
It's delayed. Yeah, delayed. Very much delayed. Wow.
Si Pastor Emerson, ipinagmalaki sa amin ang kanyang sugat na gumaling.
I am a diabetic person. May git ng 2 weeks na may sugat ang pa ako, putok na. After 2 days na mag-attend ako ng seminar, in-apply ko nga po yung tinuro sa amin ni Dr. King, nato yung sugat.
Ang mga kagalingang ito ay resulta ng The Key Method o TKM. Isang di pangkaraniwang paraan na umano'y tumutulong sa katawan ng tao upang ito'y kusang gumaling. Kailan lang ibinahagi dito sa Pilipinas ang TKM ng mismong founder nito na si Dr. Glenn King.
TKM is a gentle hands-on method that we've discovered through science how to work with the bioelectromagnetic energy of the body. It's very similar to the cardiovascular system, the lymphatic system. It is a circulatory system. And when that system's not functioning right, then your autonomic nervous system functions, malfunctions, and the rest of them, you have a domino effect. So that's really the basis for all the other systems to function properly.
Bilang medical technologist, sinang-ayunan ni Pastora Beulah Badwa ang pagkakaroon ng electromagnetic energy o kuryente ng ating katawan.
Anong minimeasure sa ECG? Yung electric current sa heart. Tapos yung EEG, yung they determine yung functioning ng brain natin. That's also measuring the electric current in the brain. Hindi lamang pala sa heart o sa brain, but it's all over the body.
Ito naman ang kanyang naging karanasan.
Ang nakalimutan kong gawin ng araw na yon is to take my medicine sa hypertension because I rushed to the meeting. So that day, malakas yung beating ng heart ko. Pero nung hinansan ako nung the one on my left, biglang hindi na malakas yung yung beating, nagpacify yung heart ko. So sabi ko, what did you work on? So sabi niya, I worked on the sequence to prevent stroke. So that whole afternoon hanggang next morning, pacified na yung heart ko kahit na hindi ako nakapag-take ng gamot ko ng araw na yun.
Mahigit 20 taong sinaliksik ni Dr. King ang mga energy sequences na makakatulong umano upang gumaling ng kusa ang katawan sa iba't ibang karamdaman. Walang negative effects ang TKM, subalit sa kabila nito ay hindi pa rin maiaalis ang pagdududa ng ilang mga tao.
Well, it is a very, very difficult and challenging thing as a Christian because when you speak of energy, whether it's in the East or the West, they think you're either deceived or you're talking about some type of New Age technique or theory or philosophy or cult. I have to teach biblical principles while I'm teaching it. It is the foundation. It's how we understand how the body works, how we can use it for its glorifying to God. We're supposed to be good stewards of our body. So there are many, many biblical principles that are taught during it to help clarify how the system works and how we work on it, which is the laying on of hands. But it's the laying on of hands with understanding. I still say in all of it, whether it's scientific or any other perspective, if you're taking it from the medical perspective of working with it, that you need to go to the Lord first. That's where you're going to get your guidance forevermore. He is our healer. I only acknowledge one healer. I'm not a healer. This is not a healing method. It's the body that can heal by God's creation when it's functioning the way He created.
Napakaraming na intriga at nagtatanong tungkol sa TKM or King Institute Method. New Age ba daw ito? Is it biblical? What do doctors say? Let's ask a doctor and a worship minister. We have with us Dr. Grace de la Calzada, pathologist, professor of medicine, graduate school professor in allied health, and consultant of Life Growth Christian Network. And we also have with us Worship Minister of Team Ministries International, si Liza Ting. Welcome to the 700 Club.
Thank you.
Dr. Grace, let me ask you, what do doctors say about TKM? Are the TKM principles compatible to medical science?
Absolutely, it is.
And our body is full of electrical impulses, right? Like especially coming from the brain and...
Yes,
you know?
everything about it is electrical. The heart beats because of electricity. We have a pulse because of electrical pulses. The brain works because of the waves, the electrical waves. And that is why at the end of life, it's a flat line. No energy.
I love that. So is TKM competing with doctors and hospitals, you know, in their method of healing people?
Not at all. I don't think so. Today, where medicine is going, especially with therapy,
Nagsasabing na new age daw ito. What do you think?
No po. In my 10 days at the seminars, I could see that
Kasi they talk about energy, power within you, mga ganun ba, di ba?
Opo, gaya po ng sinabi ni Dr. Grace, yung katawan po natin, may electrical system po yan. Hindi po natin nakikita ito, pero nasusukat po yan sa paggagalaw ng fluids po ng ating katawan. Because our body is 70% water. And we can detect this movement sa pamamagitan lang po ng pulso. When we lay our fingers, we can feel the movement of the bodily fluids. So the method po is based on physics. Yung medical science po na pinapractice nila Dr. Grace, based po on biochemistry, ito po, solidly science po siya. It's not, tinanggal po ni Dr. King yung any mysticism or anything, even if it is based on Eastern medicine, based po ito on the observations of over several thousand years. Pero siyensya din po ang pinagbabasihan niya, and it's a very wonderful method.
Is it biblical in its principles?
I can say it's biblical in the fruit that I see in Dr. King's life. Actually, this is a Christian non-profit organization in the United States, and ang bunga po nito, gaya po sa akin, hindi naman ako doktora, gaya ni Dr. Grace. The fruit of it is when you apply the method, napakarami hong maaring tulungan. Na hindi ho kami natatakot na that will harm somebody.
The principles that you learned in the seminar itself, did you apply them?
Yes po, because
on someone who was sick or something?